At the Punta Gorda Airport, we have about 1,800 acres of airport authority property, and that's surrounded by the larger interstate airport park. The whole area, whether you're within the airport itself or outside of it, we have great water and sewer utilities available, as well as three-phase power, and it's a great opportunity for people to develop businesses in the area. Within the airport, we lease our land. We have two kinds of land that you can lease. You can lease non-aviation land or non-runway access land, or access to the runways. We've recently expanded our air carrier ramp, and what that means is we have space for 10 air carriers to park in front of the commercial terminal. In our master plan, we also have space to add 3 additional parking spaces. The terminal itself also has ticket counter space available for another commercial airline as well. So we definitely have room for more commercial carriers at Punta Gorda Airport.